Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning, dear students. In this section, you will learn about seed dispersal. Children, as we walk around the garden, we see some across the different types of new seedlings and some small plants with tender leaves and stem arising from the soil. Have you wondered how these new plants grow and how seeds are disappeared? Here is in this article, let us learn a brief about the seed and how they are disappeared. First, let us discuss what is seed. Seeds are the unit of the reproduction of a flowering plant that is capable to develop into a single plant. In some species of plant like walnuts, groundnuts and chickpeas, seeds are also used as a source of food. A fully grown and developed seed that has three parts: the embryo, the endosperm, and seed coat. The plumule is present inside the seed embryo, which develops into a new plant. Now, let us discuss about seed dispersal. Seed dispersal is an adaptive mechanism in all seed bearing plants participating in the movement or transport of seeds away from their parent plant to ensure the germination and survival of some of the seeds to adult plant. There are many vectors to transport the seed from one place to another. First, let us discuss about seed dispersal by wind. The wind is a natural and fundamental means of seed dispersal in the plant kingdom. This process of dispersal is mainly seen in most of these plants which bear very light seeds. The seeds of the orchid plant, dandelions, swan plants, cottonwoods, trees, etc. are the examples of plants whose seeds are dispersed by the wind. Seed dispersal by water. In this method of seed dispersal, seeds floating away from the parent plant. These are mainly seen in those plants which lives in water or nearby the water bodies like beaches, lakes, ponds, etc. Coconut, plum, mangrove, water lily, water mint are few examples of plants whose seeds are dispersed by the water. Seed dispersal by animals and birds. There are many ways in which animals and birds disperse the seeds. Few animals and birds are attracted to the bright colorful fruits. They eat the entire fruit and only the juicy part is digested by their system, and the seeds are excreted out in the form of their dropping, which forms into a new plant. Blackberry, cherry, tomato and apple seeds are dispersed in this way. A few species of squirrels collected nuts from the different plants like crowns and bury them under the soil as they store food as the winter season and often forget the place where they have previously buried them, and the seed grows into a new trees. There are a few plants which bear seeds with hooks. Like broaddock plant is an example of this plant species. The seeds of this plant catches on the fur of an animal and are carried away to different places far from their parent cell. Seed dispersal by gravity. Gravity is a force of attraction that exists among all the objects in the universe. As the fruits from the tree falls on the ground due to the force of attraction, they sometimes roll down to the same smaller distance, get buried in the soil after a few days and germinate into a new plant. In certain cases, fruits which do not have very hard seed coat may crack and open after falling down from a height, which leads to a better dispersion of seeds. In some cases, the fallen fruits is carried by other agents like water, wind, birds or animals and help in the dispersion of seed. Apples, coconuts, fruits are few examples of plants whose seeds were dispersed by the gravity of a force attraction. Seed dispersal by explosions. Explosions in fruits literally refuse to bursting with all its energy. In this case, as the fruit gets ripened, it shoots out its seeds into the external environment. This type of seed dispersal is mainly seen in those plants are having pods, whose seeds are dispersed by explosions. Like examples like pea and bean plants also have pods, and their seeds burst out when they ripened and pod has dried. Thank you.